चैट जीपीटी को लॉन्च हुए 2 साल होने वाले हैं एंड आई स्टिल सी सो मेनी पीपल आस्किंग मी आई एम स्टक हाउ टू डू फ्रीलांसिंग, हाउ डू आई ब्रेक माई गोल्स इनटू स्मॉलर वंस, आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड एंड लॉस्ट, आई डोंट नो माई नीश, I don't know how to price my services, portfolio kaise, and it pisses me off every single time because chat gpt can literally help you transform your life. It is not for asking random questions, but it can actually help you and become your business mentor. Let's get right into it. I'm going to tell, let's say you're in a job and you have this urge to freelance and get out of your current role and you want to quit your job in the next 6 months. Let's write down a prompt which will basically tell ChatGPT of your current situation and what your goals are in a very natural language in a paragraph. So I'm going to write, I'm 25 and I am looking to quit my IT job. I currently feeling very stuck and lost. I earn, let's say, 40,000 right now. Whatever you earn right now, you can write down. And I want to get to 90,000 rupees per month in the next 6 months so I can quit my job. Okay. Tell me a realistic or tell me 3 realistic goals in order for me. Now, you customize this prompt according to you, but definitely don't forget to write that I am good at whatever skill you're good at, you can write down. So I'm just writing very generically, I'm good at designing. Let's enter and see what it suggests. Okay. So as you can see, very interesting. I did not even tell ChatGPT I want to freelance or anything. I just said that I'm good at this and automatically it's suggesting freelancing. So first I'm gonna say, hey, this is too overwhelming. Can you please write down your answer in a table and give me an action plan? And also say that use simple English. This is only to make sure that you don't have to read through so much of data when you're already overwhelmed. So you can always use this prompt to get simple answers from ChatGPT. All right. So now it's super easy to read, and it's basically asking us to start freelancing in month one, specialize in a niche in month 2 to 3, and then create a passive income stream in month 4 to 6. It's giving me a month by month action plan. While I'm reading this, I'm like, interesting. But even when I go through this and it's given me a 6 month plan and I'm clear as to what it needs me to do, अभी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि यार अभी मैं क्या करूँ, what should I do right now with my job in order to execute this. So what I'm gonna now say is, listen, I am right now in a 9 to 5. I reach office by 8 a.m. So pretty much 8 a.m. to let's say 8 p.m. is occupied in office work right now. I can dedicate 10 to 11:30 p.m. every day in order to fuel this dream of mine. So tell me the plan for first month and what exactly I need to do on a daily basis. Now, you see how I'm interacting with ChatGPT in a manner how I would chat with a business mentor or a coach, and the questions I will ask them. So you have to almost write in a language that you would talk to other people in, and then see what results it's generating for you. Nice. So now it's given me a monthly goal. It's given me a daily plan from 10 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. from Monday to Sunday. And of course, I can tell ChatGPT that I don't want to work, let's say, on the weekdays and I only want to dedicate 4 hours on the weekend. So it is going to give you a plan just for Saturday and Sunday. So feel free to do that if you want to. But I will highly recommend that you spend at least 1 hour a day on the weekdays also if you really are serious about quitting your job and starting freelancing, because it is going to be hard, but that initial 6 months that you put into it, it's gonna literally change your life, and I'm not kidding. Okay, so let's go through this. So it's saying on Monday, I create and update my portfolio. I research niches and decide what design services I'll focus on. I set up my accounts, etc. Now, it's pretty much giving you a set of tasks that you need to do, right? It very simply wrote create and update your portfolio. But I basically need to ask, can you break down this goal for me into very small practical tasks? Now, you have to understand breaking down your goals, however big they may be, is gonna literally take out that fear and overwhelm from you once you realize that you literally have to do one very small thing every single day. और अगर तुम खुद को बोलोगे ना कि यार आज मुझे सिर्फ इस एक वेबसाइट पे अकाउंट बनाना है, अपनी प्रोफाइल पिक्चर अपडेट करनी है और अबाउट सेक्शन अपडेट करना है. दैट्स ऑल यू नीड टू डू. तुम्हारे दिमाग से ना वो स्ट्रेस ही निकल जाएगा कि तुम्हें पोर्टफोलियो बनानी है एंड यू आर रिसर्चिंग एंड डूम स्क्रोलिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम की हाउ डू आई क्रिएट द बेस्ट पोर्टफोलियो. तो प्लीज़ परफेक्शनिज्म में मत घुसना. जस्ट एटलीस्ट क्रिएट एन अकाउंट, स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग अ पोर्टफोलियो, और जैसे इंस्पिरेशन लेके यू विल रिफाइन इट 100% श्योर. बट प्लीज डोंट गेट इन टू सेल्फ डाउट एंड fear at this stage. So let's see what ChatGPT said. So it's saying task 1 is अपने design projects list कर लो. If you have done any personal project, then you pick 1 to 2 projects जो सबसे best highlight करते हैं. Then you decide on a format कि तुम खाली images डालने वाले हो, case study बनाने वाले हो. And then it's given you exactly what you need to do. Use Canva, write the case study, upload your portfolio. Now of course you can tell ChatGPT platform बताओ कौन सा platform मेरे लिए. For example, Behance is great for designers. Some other platform like Medium is great for writers. So you ask ChatGPT which platform should I use, and just how it just broke down all the tasks into these mini subtasks. Now all you have to focus on is pick 2 of these subtasks and put it in your to-do list for the 10 to 11:30 p.m. the slot you have on that day. And that's it. For some people, this video might be very basic, that everyone knows how to use ChatGPT, right? Everyone pretty much knows how to write a prompt. But trust me, I hire so many people for my agency, and so many of them feel lost and overwhelmed for no reason at all. All they need is a little validation over their thoughts, and they just need someone to define those goals for them. And they often look for a mentor or a person outside for validation. And using ChatGPT this way can just simplify their life and give them the answers they're looking for. I hope this video helps those who never thought of using AI for their advantage in this way, and it just inspires them or sparks an idea for them to be intrigued to ask more questions and get detailed plans, strategies without going elsewhere. Thank you so much for watching once again.